Hi, I'm Jake. Hi, I'm Jake. Welcome to Jakery in the Picklery. Hi, I'm Jake. Welcome to food that I eat. Hey, welcome to I'm Jickle. Let's pickle. Hi, I'm Jake. Welcome to Jickle's Pickles. Come on, let's pickle some eggs. I think that one was it. But today, we're just gonna be pickling some of these bad boys. So come on, let's go boil them. Let's go right over there. Grab a pot. Oh, too much water. I should have got a bigger pot. 12 eggs. How'd that work? So now that we're waiting for the eggs to boil, let's get our brine, get our little solution going on. Fill it up half with water, but hot water. Hot water. Let's see if we got any in here left. That's warm. It's not hot. None of this is an exact science. The only thing that I measured out beforehand was the salt. So we got 20 grams of salt that we're just gonna add right. Seems like a lot, and it is. So now we're gonna just give this guy a little shake. Get that salt kind of dissolved, you know? Okay, this is the fun part. We got a whole bunch of spices that we're gonna put in there now. And seeds, a lot of seeds. It says unopened. Okay. And your measurements are gonna change every time. That's what makes it fun. You're gonna add new things, you're gonna get experimental. It's gonna be a good time. All right, so now we got some celery seed. Just gonna be about that much. Sure. And this is what's gonna preserve your pickled things, and put these things on there. Oh, it's classic mustard seed. Just gonna put some of that in there. Bing bong. There we go. I'm gonna just dash a little bit of some coriander in there. I don't know, I feel like that might be good. So we'll just dash some of that in there. Just like that. Oop, missed. It's fine. Caraway seeds. That's another seed that can go in there. All right. So next step, you got some sus peppercorns. Pops, if you've seen this and I don't know, this is your like prized concoction. I'm sorry. I don't know what the red stuff is. But it smells like peppercorn, looks like peppercorn. So we're just gonna drop some of those bad boys in there just for some spice-roonies. Actually, we're gonna crush up some garlic. I'm gonna ask my cameraman if he could throw me a knife. If you have knives like this, they're good. We're gonna throw in 4 cloves of garlic. I'm a garlicky guy. Whoop. I'll let him get away from you. So now we'll just kind of get all that stuff out of here. Get a clean workspace again. We'll just give him a little crush. Move this jar over here, you know. Give him a little crush. Beep. Now one of these I'm gonna dice up. Whoop. Yep, crush that. One of these I'm gonna dice up a little bit, you know. And shoop. Wow, that's good. Just like you guys. Just a man who likes pickled eggs and just pickling things. Also, let me know in the comments what you want to see pickled. I was thinking of like pickling every part of a sandwich. So lettuce, tomatoes, maybe cucumbers. Ooh, get real crazy with it. And then, I don't know, I was thinking carrots, maybe pickled. But who knows, anything can be pickled. So let's pickle things, you know? But now we're gonna add some vinegar. So we're gonna be using just distilled white vinegar. We're just gonna I'll probably have to dump some out, to be for real, because the eggs are gonna take up some volume in there. Would you look at that? Our water is almost ready to be boiled, to be egged. Wow. Bing. And when I'm pickling my eggs, I don't know. For me personally, I don't want to bite into an egg that's like runny. No sense getting yolk everywhere. But, so we got 12 eggs in there. Bing. Oh, throw me the other one. Jalapenos. I put jalapenos in everything that I pickle. Just adds some flavor. This knife is absurd. This knife is so dull. We're just gonna pop those into our solution. We'll start calling it a solution. Get some of these seeds out of there because I'm Norwegian. Can't handle too much spice. But I can handle the heat, so don't tell me to get out of the kitchen. I can handle that. Don't even with me. Dill. Next ingredient. I'm gonna have my cameraman throw me this thing of dill. Oh, for those of you who didn't see that, he dropped it. Dill. Dill. We're gonna, I don't know what they're called. They might be called sprigs. I think sprig is some sprigs of dill. Who knows? Who knows? Not me. So we're gonna throw some sprigs of dill. We're gonna stick with sprigs. This will keep them just firm, you know. You want a nice firm egg. You don't want them to go soft on you. Same thing with pickles. It's always been a weird thing. You know, why do they call pickles pickles? It's just cucumbers that are pickled. I don't know why they don't call, it's just like, I don't know, you're generalizing it, so whatever. I think we'll start a movement at some point, a pickling movement. So now we're starting to get a little colorful solution. I honestly don't know how many I just put in there, but some sprigs. Shloop. So it should be looking like Christmas in there, like a whole wreath in there. And you, like I said, you always want to just keep a clean work environment. At least on camera, you know. Eggs. Eggs are gonna be boiling for 10 minutes, 7 minutes. I have not, I didn't start a timer. Almost forgot. Give it a little sweetness. We're gonna add a tiny bit of brown sugar. You know, just to balance out that spice and the tanginess that we're gonna be getting from it. So just give this whole thing a little shake up. Just gonna shake it up. Like we know what we're doing, because we do. And that's looking good. I like the way that looks. Let's give it a little taste. Spicy. Woo! Woo! Wow! Well, I'll get you. Oh, look at the time. They should be ready now. So we're gonna pop them out there. I'm gonna get a little ice bath going, you know. There's a lot of bowls in here. Oh, right into there. Didn't even put enough water in there. It's good though. This is our cameraman, Isaac. He's a nice boy.
Hey, yo.
And he is single. For all you ladies out there. Mm-hmm. My lips are burning.
That's how you know you're doing something, right?
That's how you know that it's spicy. There's a lot of seeds in that water, and Now I gotta break them. Now I gotta break them eggs. It's time to break some eggs. You gotta break a few eggs to make an omelet. You know what I was thinking about actually no, I was thinking about it today in the shower. When did we decide that eggs were a breakfast thing? You know what I mean? Like there's gotta be some like it has to be from like the early days, you know, where people were just like, I don't know, maybe the chickens just pooped them out early in the morning, that's all they had. But like, why isn't it socially acceptable to, I don't know, like why is it just a breakfast thing?
Story time. Eggs and meats for breakfast, and breakfast in general, was actually pushed by big corporations so that they could make more money by having more meals. So, the more you know, stay educated.
Stay educated. Or don't.
Or don't. Ignorance is bliss.
Oh, also, Fisherman's Friends, if you guys see this video, I am making it my goal to be sponsored by Fisherman's Friends. Indefinitely. Have you ever been sick or ever felt any weakness? The crisp air gets to your lungs, you know? Your throat starts feeling sore. Many people turn to honey and other natural remedies. I turn to Fisherman's Friend. Fisherman's Friends, please hit me up. Really hope that pulls through, you know? I'm probably going to have to also dump out some of the solution. Give her that knife, get out of here. Let's get some eggs into the jar. Already, 1. How many do you think are gonna fit? 2, 3.
Like 2 more max.
4. I need to dump some out. It's just, honestly, there's just something about just the way that pickled eggs look in a jar. Like, that is so enticing. Like, it's beautiful. I don't know. 1. I don't know how, I lost count. Nope. So I'll let this bad boy just kind of sit in the fridge for 10 days, and then they are ripe for consuming. Luckily, I made a jar ahead of time, so we can just eat one. We can just eat one now. It's fun. You get some peppercorns in there too, and garlic. Good for you. Cheers. That'll put years back on your life. Anyways, I'm Jake. This is Jickle's Pickles. I'll see you next time.